Hey everybody, today on Mama Nina Cooks, we're going to make turkey stock because it's Thanksgiving and that's how I always start Thanksgiving off. Okay, so we have some vegetables. We've got carrots, onions, garlic, and I made a bouquet of fresh parsley, flat leaf parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember that song? I also have some turkey thighs here that I purchased separately from the regular turkey just to make this stock. Okay, 1 container of chicken broth, and optional is some chicken better than bouillon. You don't have to add this, but I like it. Okay, so we're going to chop these vegetables very roughly. Doesn't matter. We're just going to take them out when we're done with them. We're just using them for flavor for the stock. Okay. So rough chop. They can be great big pieces. It's okay. I didn't peel them. I washed them. Yay. Okay, so carrots. I will peel the onions. I'm just going to leave them in big old chunks like that. We're going to put a few garlic cloves. These don't have to be peeled or crushed or anything, just whole garlic cloves. Probably 5 or 6. I use stock for a lot of things at Thanksgiving. For my cornbread dressing, which you'll see the recipe for, and I make soup after Thanksgiving, actually the night of. I just put the leftover whole bird and take all the meat off and everything and put it in a big stock pot and make soup. So I use some of my stock for that, and I also use it for my gravy. Okay, so we're going to make a big pot of it. We're going to take our turkey thighs. See, that's all my veggies. And we're going to just salt and pepper the outside. Okay, let's go over to the stove. Okay, to our pot, we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. 2 or 3. And we're going to put our turkey breasts in. We're going to put the side down that's seasoned. And then we'll season the other side. I'm just using salt and pepper. In about 6 or 7 minutes, we're going to flip them over. I'm liking these brown bits down here. That's what I'm waiting for. Let's see how our stock's coming along. Oh, that looks good. So we're going to let this simmer for probably about an hour and a half, maybe 2. Let's see, we want all that flavor coming out from the herbs and the vegetables and the turkey, and it's just gently simmering, as you could see. Okay, so this stock is done. It simmered for about 2 hours or 2.5. Now we're going to remove everything, put it in the strainer. These vegetables we're just going to toss them. They're depleted of all their flavor. We will do something with the turkey thighs though. We can do turkey soup, turkey salad, turkey tetrazzini, just about anything you would use with chicken you can do with that turkey. Okay, so we got 5 quarts of turkey stock from that recipe. And it's good and rich. You can see it's going to go great with our gravy and our dressing and our soup that we're going to do later. I try to do as much ahead of time as I can so that the day of I'm not running around crazy trying to get all the dishes done at once. So tomorrow we're going to make dressing and probably cranberries, fresh cranberries, and I'm going to show you each step that I do for Thanksgiving. So I know if you've never made Thanksgiving dinner before, it can be scary. I remember my first time, and it was for my mother-in-law, and I was scared to death, but it came out great. It's really easy. Turkey kind of cooks itself, so don't worry. It'll be fine. We'll do it together. It'll be great. Okay, so that's the first step, is the stock and the herb butter, and we'll go from there. Okay? All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye. We got, oh God. No! Not yet, baby girl. Oh, it's still going.